Welcome to Alanwi Health and Facts. Oats are one of the healthiest grains on earth. It is one of the most nutritious whole grain foods that a person can consume. Oats offer many health benefits which are being backed by scientists, from its weight loss benefits, to reducing the risks of heart disease, lowering blood sugar level, and many more. In this video I will be showing you 5 health benefits of eating oatmeal. What will happen to your body if you eat oat every day? Some of the potential health benefits of oats are as follows. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Oats are high source of antioxidants and a beneficial plant compound called polyphenols. Polyphenols are rich in abenanthramides, an antioxidant which helps in increasing the production of nutric acid, which can lower blood pressure, improving blood flow, and reducing inflammation and itching. 2. Lower cholesterol levels and stabilize blood sugar. Oats contains a soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Beta-glucan helps improve insulin response and possibly reduce blood sugar levels. Research has been reviewed that people with type 2 diabetes can consider incorporating oats to their diet, as it can help manage their blood sugar levels. 3. High in vitamins and minerals. Oatmeal contains many vitamins and minerals while being low in calories. Oatmeal is high in magnesium, iron, phosphorus, zinc, folate, copper, and vitamin B1 and B5. 4. Helps with weight loss. Oats can help you feeling fuller longer, thereby helping you control your food intake. Feeling full can help you reduce your food portion and achieve your weight loss goals. Research shows that oatmeal decreases the desire to eat for the next 4 hours. 5. Relieves constipation. The fiber in oatmeal can help keep waste in the gastrointestinal tract moving, which can relieve or prevent constipation. The soluble and insoluble fiber in oats helps in regulating bowel movement and hence prevent constipation. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel for more educating videos.